had a win earlier this year in Cummings out front. He had a nice run last night. The flag's up. Here we go. Hey, he's got her now. Here we go. Mike Breakshaw. Give Mike Rakestraw a big round of applause. All right, give Chris a round of applause, because it ain't slow when it's on the track by any means. It was a winner last night down in Bluffton, Indiana. It's got the capabilities of making it 2 in a row. They are former points champions. Let's find out if they can get the job done here. And I believe last year they were also the winner here at the home fair, if I remember correctly. All right, they're tightening it up, getting ready to go. He's your hometown puller right here. Casey Evers out of Celina, Ohio. Fleck Farms number 3, 1974 International. Hey, give him a round of applause. Last night he was in the middle of the pack. Let's see if he can get a better run here. Hey, give him a round of applause. We have no bigger motors than 510 cubic inch in this class. Here we go. Wow, give him a round of applause, dear fans. Chris Regadence. Give him a round of applause. That green one out of the lead. Give him a round of applause. It definitely ran tonight.